I'm Alessandra with RevZilla, and today we're going to take a look at the Icon Women's Mesh as F jacket available at RevZilla.com. So the Icon Mesh AF jacket is going to be a two-season hot weather jacket. And the reason why it's two-season hot weather is because there's really nothing else going on this jacket but mesh. You get protection, and that's about it. No liners or anything else. And in terms of application, it's a fairly lightweight jacket, so it's really best suited for around the town, city riding. Now, before we get into the jacket itself, a quick note on fit. So looking at this jacket off the bat, if you compare it to other Icon women's jackets, it's definitely less boxy. They've gone to a more princess style cut for the main body of the jacket, but they've also tailored up the arms a little bit. So Helen, to my left, is 5'6", 140 pounds, with a 34-inch chest and a 29-inch waist, and she's in a size medium. Now, if you look at the chart, she'd typically be in a small, but we put her in a medium because the arms are so tailored, and we'll get further into that in a little bit when we go through the jacket. That said, if you are concerned about fit, orders over $39 ship for free. And as always, if you want to see what other women's jackets are available at RevZilla, click and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's get into the jacket itself. So the main construction, as I mentioned, is mesh, and it's fairly simple. There's not a lot going on in the front of this jacket, as you can see. You really have a full mesh chest to give you maximum airflow, 2 hand warmer pockets, and then this nice princess cut, which, as I mentioned, is a nice deviation from the boxier cuts we've seen in the past from Icon. Now, let's start at the top of the arm and make our way down, because this is where you're going to see a lot of the changes or more notable things about this jacket. You're going to have level 1 D3O armor at both the shoulders as well as the elbows, and you're also going to get it in the back, which we'll see in a minute, and that's included with the jacket. So sub $200, that's really great to have all of those armor pieces included with the jacket. So the shoulder armor is pretty standard. You have to access that from the inside of the jacket like you would with most jackets. But at the elbows, you're actually going to be able to take that out from the outside of the jacket, and same thing with the back protector, which we'll see later as well. And that's really great because if you get where you're going, you decide you want to wear the jacket, but maybe it's a little bit heavy, you're hot, and you want to take that armor out, it's really easy to do so at the elbows as well as the back. Now, one other notable thing about the arm, and I'm just going to pull Helen up here, is that I mentioned earlier that they're more tailored. So they are a little bit more slender than on the previous pretty much any other Icon jacket we've seen for women. Not only did they make them a little bit slimmer, but they gave you these 2 adjusters here. Now, what I would have liked to see is, instead of giving you adjusters and making the arms more slim, is maybe just not going so slim on the arms, keeping 1 adjuster, and then maybe relocating this one here. So Helen, go ahead and turn to the side for me. So at the side, as you can see here, there's no hip adjuster. Would have been great to take one of those and put those here to give you a little bit more tailored fit. Women come in different body sizes and shapes, so it's great to be able to have as much adjustability as possible. Now, one last thing to call out on the side here is you'll see this Icon double stack logo. I like that it's a little bit more subtle. It's not across the chest, which is what we usually see from Icon. But what I would love to see in the future is an all-black version. Please give us an all-black iteration the next time around. Helen, you can go ahead and turn to the back for me. So at the back of the jacket, again, fairly simple, mesh design. If we start at the top here, it's nice to have a little bit of reflectivity, not something that we see a ton of from Icon, but the placement here is a little bit amiss. So maybe on the men's jacket, having the reflectivity at the top is okay because you usually don't have as much hair coming out of a helmet. But for women, you might have a ponytail or a braid or something like that. That might cover that up. So I'd love to see that relocated. Outside of that, the back protector is included, as I mentioned, but you're also getting all of this perforation along the outside of the jacket. And that's really great. I like that because it maximizes your airflow. At the bottom here, you have your standard drop seat as well, but again, full mesh design. Helen, you can come around to the front and go ahead and open the jacket for me. So on the inside of the jacket, we're really just wanting to show you that you're getting that full airflow. There's nothing blocking any of the ventilation that's coming through, no pockets or anything like that. Fairly simple design. You can go ahead and zip up. So all in all, what we love about this jacket is the full armor package that we're getting, sub $200. I also love that they are trying to give you something a little bit more subtle and that it's really lightweight and flows a lot of air. In terms of what we dislike, I would say that the fit is a step in the right direction. I love seeing the princess cut and more tailored arms, but I think they went a little bit too far with the arms. Would love to see them tailor up the body of the jacket and loosen up the arms a little bit in the future. And then again, another color would be great. That said, if you want to see what other women have to say about the Icon Mesh AF jacket, click the info button on your desktop or mobile device and see what they're saying in the reviews at RevZilla.com. If you want to speak to one of our lady gear geeks, give us a call at 877-792-9455 or shoot us an email at cs@RevZilla.com. Thanks for taking a look at the Icon Mesh AF jacket. I'm Alessandra. I'll see you on the road.